Excellent.
Okay, I'm back with an update on the Monkablyat RetroPie image for the Pi4. It's beta 5 version. My first video was, I think, beta 2, but now he's made a lot of improvements. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the Single Board Community Gaming Reddit page and take a look at all the improvements he's made and what this beta 5 version is all about. I will put a link in the description, but right here is where you're going to want to go. You're going to want to click his link right there, and you're going to want to open it up, and you're going to want to read it all and get the details on this beta 5 version. You're also going to want to join the Discord for the Single Board Community Gaming. Just go to Discord, bring up the Single Board Computer Gaming Discord channel, and I will also link these in the description so you can join them, and they'll help you with all your RetroPie needs as well as other single board computer issues and concerns. Now today we're just going to take a quick look at this. Like I said before in my other video, I don't have time to do all the testing and everything. I am going to test Killer Instinct on MAME though for you, so I will do that. But let's take a quick look at this new image. You can see I got a new theme right here. He's got tons of themes on here. He's got a bezel project. He's got these Hursty themes. There's also an overclock, simple overclock. If you don't want to go to the boot config text file and update that, which is very simple anyway, you can use this overclock script. I believe the Supreme Build guy who was nice enough to share that with him and let him put it in his image. You'll also have to check out some of the other options here. He did have originally on one of his, I think beta 4 was RetroArch 1.78, and I asked him to change it because there was a bug with the netplay where you couldn't use the select button. So don't know why, but he went back down to 1.76. I guess it was for anybody who wants netplay. So I thank him for that, and netplay works fine now on that version. One of the most interesting things on this image is the boot splash video that was obtained from, I believe, Hallelujah Yafar was nice enough to share this to everyone, and so Monkablyat put it on his image. Let's check that boot video right now. All right, great intro video. I hope you liked that. That's already on the image. Boom, you boot it up. I did have the first time I ran it, it buffered a little bit, but then I overclocked and it ran fine. I don't know if that was the issue or what. Anyway, it works great now. Now, before I get into this image, just a couple things I want to say about the current beta 5 version. Apparently, there was a drastic fix, and Monkablyat's going to be coming out with an actual, I think, a beta 5.1 with the fix already built in. He also puts, I think, Kodi 18.4 on there and does some other things as well. Also on the beta 5, there is, he put a lot of advanced memes on there. Those have a little bug in it, which he'll work on and fix, I believe. He also has a GitHub page with the fixes in zip files. So you don't have to re-image your whole SD card. You can just get the fixes from there. He's working on that and already has some fixes on there. If you're like me and you don't use Drastic or whatever else he's putting together, this image is fine. Hopefully an official image comes out soon. Who knows when? But at this point for me, I don't even need an official image. This is doing just great for me and everything I need, whether it's playing Dreamcast or Saturn or whatever you want to play on here. For the most part, it's running great, and including improved performance with N64. Thanks to Monkablyat for putting that all together. Let's get into Killer Instinct and test this out. We're going to run this on MAME 2003. Now there's tons of variables in RetroArch. You can, I think I got VSync on and threaded video, and you can fool around with a ton of settings. I'm not going to spend the time doing it all. You guys know I just want to play, don't want to mess around. And you can also try different ROM sets, different versions of MAME, FBA, whatever you want to try and get this to run. Right now I have an FPS counter in the bottom left. And we'll jump in right now. Take my favorite player, Saberwolf. And if you follow that FPS counter, I already kind of tested this. It jumps, it drops and it lowers, but I gotta say it's better than it has been. There are some sound skips, so it's not perfect. It plays a little bit slow, but this game was kind of slow to begin with. You know, it wasn't really a quick game. So you can hear some audio skips maybe a little bit. I can tell you they're there. And different screens actually on this will produce lower rate depending on what's going on in the background on certain screens. So it's not playable yet, but the good news is it's making some progress. And again, I'm on overclocked at 1850. You can go all the way up to 2000 if you really wanted to, and see how that works for you. Take that move right there. Gotta watch this part now. So anyway, you know, that's some good improvement. You know, we're getting close to 60 on certain, but it drops down and the audio is pretty rough. So I just wanted to show you guys that it's improvements. I think they can maybe get this to run great. I did try NFL Blitz briefly, and it only loaded for a flash second and then would just drop. So again, lots of testing needs to be done. Do it yourself if you really want to dig in deep. And again, don't forget to join the Single Board Community Gaming Discord as well as the Reddit page. Go get this image. It's awesome. You won't even need an official image if you keep playing if you keep using this image and just get Monkablyat's fixes. So hey, thanks for watching as always. And so don't forget to subscribe and you'll see more stuff in the future. Thanks again.